students, how are you? I hope all are good. Welcome back to another class. Today let we start English chapter number 4, Apollo 11 landing on the moon. Read and enjoy. So here are pictures of Apollo 11 crew left to right: Neil Armstrong, Michael Collins and Edwin Buzz Aldrin. So in May 1961, American President John F. Kennedy made a goal. He wanted astronauts to land on the moon and then return to Earth. Okay, जो astronaut है वो moon तक जाएंगे और फिर वापस आएंगे. Many scientists and astronauts worked hard to reach this goal, and on July 16, 1969, Apollo 11, the first manned space flight to the moon, was launched into the space. The crew of this space flight was made up of 3 American astronauts: Neil Armstrong, Michael Collins, and Edwin Buzz Aldrin. On July 16, 1969, these 3 American astronauts left the Kennedy Space Center in Florida to fulfill NASA's Apollo 11 mission and JFK's vision. They traveled 240,000 miles for 3 days to reach the moon's lunar orbit. Their additional goals were to bring back samples from the moon's surface, take a lot of photos, and leave equipments on the moon for experiments. They accomplished all of their goals successfully. Collins piloted the main spacecraft, which was comprised of command and service module. Command module was named as Columbia. Service module was named as Eagle. As they traveled from Earth to the moon, the astronauts made their first TV transmission to Earth from space on July 17. On July 20, Armstrong and Aldrin climbed aboard the Eagle, the lunar module that would land on the moon. The Eagle separated from Columbia, leaving Collins behind to take pictures and keep a watchful eye on Eagle from Columbia. That had happened, the lunar module landed on the moon in an area called the Sea of Tranquility. And Armstrong said 4 words that would go down in history: the Eagle has landed. Neil Armstrong became the first man to walk on the moon. Millions watched the landing live and heard him say the now iconic words: "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Armstrong and Aldrin spent 2.5 hours outside the Eagle, taking many photos, gathering almost 50 pounds of moon rock and setting up the experimental equipments. The rocks were later judged to be more than 3 billion years old. The astronauts left behind an American flag and a plaque signed by President Richard Nixon, and the Apollo crew airmen from the planet Earth first set foot upon the moon. July 20, 1969, it became in peace for all mankind. Medallions for deceased astronauts and cosmonauts were left, including a disc of goodwill messages from 73 countries. The astronauts ever spoke to President Richard M. Nixon from the moon. That was no one long distance call. After 2.5 hours on the moon's surface, the Eagle blasted off from the moon's surface. Since the Eagle was not able to return the astronauts to Earth, they had to rejoin Michael Collins in the Columbia command module that was orbiting the moon. When all 3 astronauts were inside safely, they headed back to Earth. So when they returned, the 3 astronauts received a hero's welcome. There were celebrations and parades all over country. President Nixon awarded them presidential medals of freedom. So everyone, the chapter is in here. I hope you all are very well understand full chapter. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.